Hello and welcome to Hooray. Let's now talk about sentence completion question type in the IELTS listening test. The sentences will be paraphrases of recordings in the sentence completion question. You need to identify words or phrases that would complete the sentences appropriately. While you complete the sentences, you need to use the exact words, phrases, or numbers which are mentioned in the audio file. First, you need to read the instructions carefully, and then the audio will be played only once. You need to read, write, and listen simultaneously. Let's look at some of the strategies. You need to predict the answers while you go through the notes. So you look for whether the answers could be phone numbers or dates, verbs, places, or they could be names of people, any proper nouns, any relevant data, etc. Check for the words before and after the gaps. So this will enable you to decide what kind of word you could predict which could be the answer in the gap. Listen closely to the recording and fill the gaps. Your spelling has to be correct and your grammar has to be appropriate. Here's a sample. The audio will be played. You listen to the information, and as you're listening, you make note of the answers. It says here in the instructions that you have to complete the notes below. So you have some notes which are in sentence format. You have to fill in and complete these sentences. A company providing luxury serviced apartments aims to 1. Cater specifically for dash travelers. So that could be an adjective in the blank. 2. Provide a stylish dash for guests to use. That could be a noun because the stylish adjective is already mentioned before the gap. And the third one says, set a trend throughout the dash which becomes permanent. So that could be again a noun. The next 3 sentences go like this. Traditional holiday hotels attract people by, fourth sentence, offering the chance to dash their ordinary routine life. So this could be a verb. Fifth sentence says, making sure that they are cared for in all respects like dash. That could be a noun. And the sixth sentence says, leaving small treats in their rooms, example, cosmetics or dash. This has to be some item, something which they are offering as gifts or treats to the people who are guests who are staying in their hotel rooms. Let's look at another example. Fees and funding. The fees are dash per year. So this could be an amount. To do the course part-time. The university has a dash. It can use to fund the most suitable students. You must have a dash in place before you can get any funding. The details on funding can be found on the dash. That will be a noun. That will also have information on eligibility, help available, and dash. That would be a noun. Now let's look at the answers for sample 1. The options are business, kitchen, world, escape, baby, chocolate. And for sample 2, we saw that there would be an amount for the fees, that is £2,400. Certain budget. Certain is optional here. The main answer should be budget, but both would be considered correct. The next one is firm offer, university website, and how to apply. These are the answers for the 2 samples that we saw. Now let's look at some other tips that we need to follow. The sentences are paraphrases, so you look for the changed word. Grammatically, the notes or the sentences that you're completing has to be accurate. If the sentences are a part of a table, you have to check whether they are horizontal or vertical. So in the time that you get to look at questions, please look at the question numbers and see how the order goes. The information will be given in the same order as the questions. Break in recording. So when there is a break in recording, you need to see what the questions that follow will be given. So you need to look at the notes which follow and see what is printed already and what is not printed. Look at the blanks, see what comes before and after the blank, and predict your answers. You have to make notes and listen carefully. Linking phrases such as even though, but, or however will modify the sentences. So make sure you understand these linking phrases in order to understand the matter correctly. Double check spelling as marks are deducted for incorrectly spelt words. So with this we come to the end of the sentence completion type in the listening module of IELTS exam. Thank you.